Okay, we have 96 popsicle sticks here, right? We have 9 bundles of 10 and 6 ones. You have your question right there. Okay, so now we're going to connect the popsicle sticks to what you have written on the board. Do you know how to do that?
Not sure.
Okay, so then let's look at your board, okay? You told me, how many groups are we splitting into?
4.
4. Okay, what place value did you first start with when you did the long division part?
The
So when you were working on the board, which number did you start with first?
10s.
Right, so we're gonna start with the 10s first. So I want you to take the 10s and I want you to split them into 4 groups, okay?
We have 1 left over.
Okay, you have 1 left over. What do you call that?
Remainder.
Your remainder. Okay, let's look at your board now and compare it with, I'm just gonna move this over here, and compare it with what you did. Okay, so how many bundles of 10 do you have in each group?
2.
Okay, where do you see that on your board?
Up here.
Okay, if you put 2 bundles of 10 in each group and you have 4 groups, how many bundles did you use up?
8.
8. Where do you see that on your board?
Down here.
Perfect. How many bundles did you have left over?
1.
1. Where do you see that on your board?
Down here.
Right. What are we going to do with that bundle? Because we have this one right here, but it's also part of 16. So what should we do?
Well, we'll try and put 4. See how many times 4 goes into 16? So we'll split 16 into 4 groups.
Okay, but how do, okay, you're on the right track. Your thinking is awesome. How do you make that work with the popsicle sticks?
Well, we have 10 left over here, and we also have 6 ones, so that's 16. And then,
Oh, you're so close. You're doing so well.
and then we split that into 4.
Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this bundle right here, and I'm going to go like this. What am I doing?
You're splitting the 10 apart.
I'm splitting the 10 apart, right? So now instead of having 1 10, I have 10 ones, okay? How many ones do I have all together in this pile right now?
16.
Where do you see 16 on your board?
Right here.
Perfect. Okay, now take these 16 and split them into your groups and show me how that works. Perfect. Okay, let's look at your board again. How many popsicle sticks ended, how many ones ended up in each group when we're talking about the popsicles?
4.
Okay, where do you see that on your board? Perfect. If you put 4 popsicle sticks in each group and you have 4 groups, how many popsicle sticks did you use up?
All of them.
All of them. Where does it show on your board that you used all of them up? Good job. Awesome. You did great. Did awesome.